Are you tired of construction projects that fall behind schedule and exceed budgets? How frustrating is it to see your visions for progress stall due to unreliable contractors and unforeseen complications? Our expert commercial civil builders are dedicated to delivering quality results on time and within budget, transforming your ideas into reality with precision and reliability. Imagine a construction partner who understands your unique needs, streamlining the process while ensuring the highest standards are met. We bring years of experience in managing complex projects, allowing you to focus on what you do best, running your business. Our team specializes in everything from planning and design to execution and management, employing the latest technologies and best practices in the industry. We prioritize efficiency and communication throughout every step of the project. Contact us now and discover how our dedicated commercial civil builders can help you bring your project to life, on time and on budget. Your vision deserves to be built. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.